Hello, thinkers. Today's journey, the art of critique essays. And as we begin, we'll reference the stirring documentary, The Social Dilemma. So let's get started. Now remember, a critique essay isn't just about pointing out flaws. It's about engaging, understanding, and reflecting on a piece of work. So let's take this step by step, starting with the introduction. The introduction should have a brief summary of the work, and you should also aim to craft a strong opening statement and, of course, a thesis statement. So, using the social dilemma as the object of our critique, you might use some words like this. Diving into the profound impact of social media platforms on society, this documentary offers a mix of insights and cautionary tales. A good critique starts strong, so let's state clearly. The Social Dilemma masterfully unravels the complexities of the digital age, yet sometimes leans more into shock than solutions. So we have the summary and that strong opening thesis statement. That takes us into the next step of contextualizing. When you do this, you'll explore the creator's background and aim to understand the cultural and societal influences of the work. So using the social dilemma, this might look like this. Born in an era where virtual and real blur, this film echoes the collective concerns of a society struggling with the repercussions of its digital dependencies. The next step would be to dive into the content. Get your hands dirty, so to speak. Here you'll dissect the main ideas and their evolution. And continuing with our example, it might look like this. From tech experts' revelations to the human stories interspersed, the documentary paints a multifaceted picture of our tech-saturated reality. But while the problems are highlighted with precision, solutions often feel relegated to the background. Step 4 is to analyze the structure and style of the work. In other words, answer the question of how do they shape the narrative and the viewer's experience. Its engaging blend of real-life interviews and dramatizations succeeds in driving points home. However, its tone, occasionally veering into the sensational, might overshadow the more nuanced conversations. Do you see how that also harkens back to that opening thesis statement? And your next step would be personal reflection. This is where you share your journey with the work. How did it resonate or fall short with you? So the documentary, while eye-opening, left me with a hunger for more, not just understanding the digital quagmire, but also navigating it. It's a compelling watch, but one that evokes as many questions as answers. And our conclusion, because there always needs to be a conclusion, is where you sum up the key observations and insights and end with a thought-provoking statement. And continuing with our example, in dissecting the digital age's intricacies, the social dilemma serves as both a mirror and a magnifying glass. It's a reflection of our times, urging viewers to ponder. In the world of clicks and scrolls, where do we draw the line? So, a critique isn't about simply voicing opinions. It's a dance between understanding, analysis, and reflection. Get into the meat of the matter, engage with the material, and ultimately let your insights shine. And with these steps as your guide, you're set to embark on your writing journey. So happy analyzing, and if you found this video helpful, please push the like button and subscribe if you don't want to miss any of new content. Ta-ta!